Next up is a true workhorse, the Dixter 5012 Wood Edge Sander Polisher, a professional-grade machine designed for achieving impeccable finishes. Its robust construction with baked powder coating and a solid, felt-covered aluminum sanding disc ensures it can handle even the most demanding tasks. With a powerful 1200-watt motor and variable speed control, you have the precision to tackle fine polishing or aggressive sanding. It even features connections for a vacuum cleaner, keeping your workspace clean and professional. The innovative design maximizes efficiency, making this tool a vital part of any serious woodworker's workshop. Next, say goodbye to the frustration of cutting crown molding with the One-Cut crown molding tool. This ingenious jig simplifies one of the trickiest cuts in carpentry, eliminating the need for complex compound miter settings. By holding the molding vertically against the saw's fence, it allows you to make precise miter cuts with ease, saving you time and preventing costly mistakes. The tool's intuitive design ensures you cut the molding exactly as it will be installed on the wall, so there's no more upside down and backwards guesswork. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time DIYer, this tool is the secret to getting perfect corners every single time. Measuring and transferring angles has never been more straightforward than with the Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge. This versatile tool is a must-have for floor laying, furniture building, and any project requiring perfect angles. It doubles as a marking gauge, with a scale on its moving leg and a guide hole for a pencil to mark parallel lines with flawless accuracy. The tool's folding stop and one-handed locking lever allow for quick and easy positioning, even in tight spaces. Made from durable plastic, it's a lightweight yet essential aid for ensuring your cuts and layouts are spot on. When it's time to install decking, speed and accuracy are everything. The Trex's Universal Fastener Installation Tool is here to cut your installation time in half, making the job faster and easier than ever before. This specialized tool is designed to work exclusively with Trex's hidden fasteners, ensuring every fastener is perfectly positioned and driven. The comfortable handle allows you to both push and pull the tool, and the included star drive bit and bit holder make it a complete system. It's the ideal solution for both professionals and first-time DIYers who want a clean, flawless finish on their deck. Joinery just got a whole lot simpler with the Milescraft 2-in-1 Aluminum Pocket Hole Jig System Kit. This durable, all-metal jig is your go-to for creating strong, hidden joints in a flash. Its unique 2-in-1 system features removable twin drill guides, which means you can use it for both wide and narrow boards. The adjustable hole pitch, built-in scales for timber thickness, and clearance holes for quick chip release make this tool a joy to use. Whether you're building a cabinet, a frame, or a piece of furniture, this kit makes creating professional-grade pocket hole joints a breeze. For fast, efficient joinery, look no further than the Kreg Quick-Flip. This incredibly clever two-sided tool simplifies the process of drilling pilot holes and driving screws with a single, quick-action bit. On one end, a stepped drill bit creates a perfectly sized pilot hole and a flat-bottomed counterbore for your screw head. Then, with a simple flip, the other end reveals a number 2 square drive bit, ready to drive the Kreg screw home. This versatile, compact tool is perfect for a wide range of applications, from face-joining corners to attaching false fronts, making it a true time saver in any workshop. The Milescraft 8413. PinDoctor is the one tool you never knew you needed until you have to remove a door. This clear-bodied tool is a master at both removing and installing door hinge pins quickly and cleanly, without marring the finish. The clear body allows for easy alignment with the striking pin, ensuring you land a precise blow every time. It's equipped with a solid steel striking pin that's integrated into the base for maximum force transfer. What makes it even better is the flat installation surface that lets you reinsert pins without ever having to worry about damaging the metal with your hammer. Precision is paramount, and the QUUREN woodworking compass delivers it with style. Made from a durable aluminum alloy, this scribe tool is perfect for marking circles, arcs, and parallel lines with microfine accuracy. It features both metric and imperial scales, so you can easily work in either system, and the adjustable length allows you to change the radius of your circles in a snap. The dual-scale design makes it an effective small ruler and a versatile marking gauge, while its fixed-point feature ensures you always get a perfect mark. This tool is a true work of art, a must-have for precise layout work. Tired of drilling crooked holes? The AutoAngle drill guide from Woodpeckers Tools is the solution you've been waiting for. This innovative guide lets you drill holes at precise angles, with a protractor base that ensures the bit enters the material at the exact same point regardless of the angle. Its versatile fence and stop system allows for repeatable holes at a fixed distance from a corner or edge. The tool's extendable guide, rods, and non-skid base provide stability, and the ability to add flip stops makes it perfect for production work. This guide takes the guesswork out of angled drilling, giving you flawless results every time. When it comes to cutting with a circular saw, the Bora QuickCut circular saw guide makes the process incredibly fast and accurate. This all-in-one woodworking tool is made from a strong aluminum extrusion, with a comfortable curved handle that gives you a confident grip and prevents slipping. The guide features a 14-inch rail with both imperial and metric measurements, and a 5-inch cutting marker to help you align your cuts. With 4 preset angles, 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. This lightweight and precise tool simplifies the most common cuts, ensuring your saw glides perfectly along the line every time. For the ultimate control over your router, you need the Rockler Pro Lift Router Lift. This tool features 2 patent-pending innovations that will change the way you work: the ultra-fast Quick Gear and Snap-Lock insert rings. The Quick Gear system allows you to make height adjustments 4 times faster than a standard lift, while also offering micro adjustments down to 0.001 inches. The Snap-Lock rings can be changed tool-free by simply pushing a button, making bit changes a breeze. With a heavy-duty steel and aluminum construction, this lift is built for daily use and provides unparalleled precision and convenience. The Domino Connectors are a revolutionary solution for creating strong, knockdown joints that are both stable and simple to assemble. Designed to be used with the Festool domino joiner, these connectors make it easy to assemble and disassemble furniture without sacrificing joint integrity. Their high-tolerance compensation allows for slight rooting or cutting errors, ensuring your projects come together without a hitch. The large tightening distance and long bolts simplify the assembly process. And since they work with a standard domino joiner, there's no need to buy another specialized machine. The Porter Cable 20-volt Max Lithium Oscillating Tool is the ultimate multitasker, a true Swiss Army knife for the workshop. This versatile tool can sand, cut, and scrape with incredible precision and control. Its powerful motor delivers up to 18,000 OPM, or oscillations per minute, making quick work of plunge cuts, flush cuts, and detail sanding. The cordless design gives you the freedom to work anywhere, while the tool-free blade change system ensures you can swap attachments quickly and easily. Whether you're cutting trim, removing grout, or sanding in tight corners, this tool is ready for any challenge. When it comes to drilling, a stable and accurate work surface is non-negotiable. The Woodpeckers DP Pro Drill Press Table System transforms your drill press into a precision woodworking machine. The micro-dot work surface on the MDF core reduces friction, allowing your workpieces to slide effortlessly. The system features a laser-engraved fence with a zero-center reference, making it easy to position your pieces for perfect alignment. Complete with adjustable knuckle clamps and a tear-out eliminating filler block, this table system provides the stability, accuracy, and versatility you need for all your drilling projects. Give your cabinets a high-end custom look with the Kreg PRS1200 Precision Beaded Face Frame System. This innovative system, designed to work with your router table, is the fastest and most affordable way to create beautiful beaded face frames in a home shop. It simplifies standard beaded face frame construction by using a process of precise notching, eliminating the need for complicated cuts on a table saw. The system features a smooth sliding base with 20 stainless steel ball bearings, an integrated clamp with a quick-release handle, and a router table stop for repeat cuts. This tool takes all the guesswork out of creating elegant, high-quality cabinetry. When you need power and performance, The DeWalt FlexVolt reciprocating saw DCS388 is your go-to. This cordless saw is powered by DeWalt's innovative FlexVolt battery, delivering up to 2 times the power and speed of a corded saw. The keyless lever action blade clamp makes for lightning-fast blade changes, while the variable speed trigger gives you complete control over your cuts. A bright LED light illuminates your work area, and the brushless motor provides extended runtime and durability. This saw is a beast, ready to tackle demolition and tough cutting jobs without the hassle of a cord. The Triton TCMPL Compact Palm Planer is the perfect tool for on-the-go planning and fast material removal. This light and durable tool is designed for comfortable, one-handed use thanks to its slim, rubber-over-molded grip. Despite its compact size, it packs a powerful 420-watt motor with a 60mm planing width and a stepped depth control for precise cuts up to 1.5 millimeters. Adjustable dust extraction keeps your workspace clean, and the power lock-off switch prevents accidental operation. This is a compact but mighty planer, ideal for small to medium-sized tasks. The Rockler Clampet Adjustable Assembly Square is a game-changer for building projects that aren't perfectly square. This versatile tool can be adjusted and locked at any angle from 45 degrees to 315 degrees in 5-degree increments, making it perfect for clamping angled pieces together. It features docking slots that hold dedicated Rockler clamps, allowing for easy, one-handed tightening of tricky joints. Made from a durable glass-reinforced ABS, this square is built for strength and accuracy. The included positioning clips and mounting holes make it perfect for building jigs, providing a flexible and robust solution for all your assembly needs. Building a deck can be a complex and time-consuming project, but the Wolfcraft 6988000 deck building set simplifies the entire process. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for fast and precise installation of deck boards. It comes with a mobile drilling guide that ensures you drill holes in the exact same spot every time, a clamping jig for aligning the boards, and spacers for perfect uniform gaps. The included drill bit features a depth stop, so you always get the perfect depth for your countersink. This kit is a complete solution, taking the guesswork out of deck construction. Last but not least, a true mark of precision woodworking is accurate layout. The Woodpeckers T-squares are the gold standard for this. Made with a laser-engraved aluminum blade and a precision-machined beam, these T-squares offer an incredible angular precision of plus or minus 0.02 degrees. The blade features scribing guides every 1/16 of an inch, perfect for drawing perfectly parallel lines, and holes for laying out shelf pins. The beveled edges on the blade bring the scale markings closer to your work, eliminating parallax error and ensuring your measurements are always exact. It's a beautifully crafted tool that guarantees flawless layouts on every project. And there you have it, a collection of tools that will completely change the way you work. If you're ready to upgrade your shop, all the links are in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Top Tech Tools channel for more.